To make Tanzanian banana curry, first wash your hands. Then carefully cut the ends off 2 long shallots. Peel off the skin and put them into a plastic food bag. Peel the papery skin off 2 garlic cloves. If you find this tricky, then ask a grown-up to help you. Then add them to the bag as well and bash with a rolling pin. Remember, you can wash the bag out afterwards to use it again. Tip into a casserole dish and add 3 to 4 twists of black pepper. Now push and pull apart a green pepper, remove the core and seeds, tear it into small pieces and add to the dish. Carefully chop up baby tomatoes in a jug and tip them into the dish. Add a pinch of black mustard seeds, a pinch of cumin seeds, medium curry powder, ground turmeric, and ginger paste to the dish. Make sure you don't get any spices in your eyes. Oh, painful. Peel 6 unripe bananas. Carefully chop them into chunks. Then add them to your dish. Squeeze half a fresh lemon over the bananas to stop them from going black. Now add water to coconut cream and mix it, mix it, mix it. Pour it into the dish, give it another mix and pop on the lid. Now ask a grown-up to put it in the oven for you. When the Tanzanian banana curry is cooked and slightly cooled, it's ready to eat. It's colourful and creamy, and you can even add fresh coriander on top for extra flavour and decoration. Fantastic! This is a My World Kitchen Amber recipe to be eaten occasionally.